Just minute.
You are hungry?
No, let us finish it, then we'll go. Okay. Yeah.
And mention that about the corresponding.
I mean, after this, this is coming here. It is going to
skip.
drain. That's
Skip,
okay.
skip. From here, it is going to skip.
If S501 is not working, then high level here.
High level is here.
Yes.
High level is here, and this will stop the machine, and corresponding 401 is closed.
Restart. What is tag number? What is tag number? Tag number is SH50A.
Corresponding gate for SG401A RP will be closed.
What is tag number of this? S501A.
It is inbuilt now in there. It is inbuilt. It is a screw. It is a screw that will which is changing.
But it's the main function is not working.
Yeah.
We have the standby and the
Just and standby.
This type of screw come with inbuilt compactor, come screw.
501A. Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. So we are happy.
Yeah.
What is this? क्या चीज है? This screw है क्या कोई? What is this?
Screw screws.
Yeah, it is. This is we have talked about the screen.
Yeah, this we have
It is this one is grid. So whatever grid collected
from the bottom,
that will screw from out into outside to the skip.
So SH501 AB ले लेंगे क्या?
Yeah.
This one, right? Yeah, SH501A.
It is if it is not functioning, then it is same happened. You have to switch over to.
What is